In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on your Sony FX3. This process is very simple, so keep in mind these steps work for most Sony camera models, not just the FX3. So let's get started. First of all, you need to take out the SD card from your FX3. You will usually find the SD card slot on the side of the camera. Once the card is removed, insert it into your computer or laptop. We're going to load the firmware files onto it. Now go to the Sony support website. You can either search for Sony FX3 firmware on the Google or use the search bar on Sony support page and type in FX3. Download the latest firmware file provided by Sony. Once the download is complete, move the firmware file onto your SD card. Sony also provides written instructions on the page if you need them. Now remove the SD card from your computer and place it back into your FX3. Turn on the camera and press the menu button. Go to Setup section. It's the icon that looks like a toolbox. From there, scroll down to Version. Inside the menu, you will see your current firmware version. If the SD card contains the correct firmware file, the Software Update button will appear. Select Software Update and the FX3 will begin installing the new firmware. Before starting the update, make sure your battery is fully charged or connect your camera to a power source. A firmware update should never be interrupted. And that's it. Your Sony FX3 is now updated to the newest firmware version. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.